Hello YouTubers, this is Mike and welcome to my backyard garden. Today we are growing tomatoes, growing cucumbers, and growing jalapeno peppers. What I'm going to do is start them from seed, and I'm going to show you how I do that. I take a empty egg container, fill it with potting soil as you can see here. I'm going to add some water to moisten it a little more than it is. Okay, get it pretty moist, and you can see I got some tomato seeds here. I'll put 2 in each one. Oops, sorry, missed that. Get some cucumbers. I'm gonna put 2 cucumber seeds in each one. And here's some jalapeno seeds. I'm gonna put 2 of those in each one. Yeah, there's one thing I would like to mention, which is very important, is I took a toothpick and I had pierced a hole in the bottom of each of these individual cells for proper water drainage. It's very important that you don't want standing water for the proper development of the root and root structure. If you were to add more water in a few days to a week, again, it would eliminate the possibility of standing water, which is great for the plants. That being said, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover like this to help hold in the moisture while it germinates for about 72 hours. If you are impatient like me, you might want to check a little sooner. It's always gratifying to see that first sprout come through and then it's joined by its other friends. Yeah. After they get some sprouts for a week or two's growth, we're going to put these in permanent grow containers, backyard containers. I will make a video of that when that time comes up. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. It's very helpful to the channel, and I do appreciate that very much. Any comments or questions are welcome. I do answer all questions and comments. Thanks for watching, and thank you for hanging out in my backyard garden.